Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay Kane, I'm student number 9 at Inventory and I'm also the club secretary. We're going to get straight into this video today. It's a continuation from my last video about the 5 elements and we're going to delve deeper into the attributes of each element. Okay, so continuing from our previous video, we're going to carry on talking about the life cycle or the generating cycle and the death cycle or the overcoming cycle. So we're going to start off with wood. People born in the year ending in 4 or 5 are of the wood element. So 2 examples would be if you were born in 1975, you'd be wood, and if you were born in 1984, you would be wood as well. If you're born in the year ending 4, you are a yang wood, and if you were born in a 5, you are a yin wood. Okay, so some of the attributes for wood is, we'll start off with direction. The direction of wood is east. The season of wood is spring. The colour of wood is green, and the emotion of wood is anger. Now, every element has 2 organs attached to it. It has a yin organ attached to it and it has a yang organ attached to it. And for wood, the yin organ is the liver and the yang is the gallbladder. Now, the final thing I want to talk about, which we'll probably cover in a future video, is about like nutrition. So the taste for wood is sour. It's a sour taste. And the final point on yin and yang for this element is that wood is the most yang. So the next element in the life cycle is fire. Now these are for people who were born in a year ending 6 and a year ending 7. So if you are born in 1986, you are a yang fire, and if you're born in 1907, you are a yin fire. So now some of the attributes for fire is it's the direction south, it is the colour red, it is the season of summer, and the emotion attached to it is joy. So the 2 organs for fire, the yin is the heart or the heart protector. It's also sometimes called the pericardium, and the yang is the small intestine. When it comes to taste, it is the taste, it's bitter, and fire is yang. Okay, so next on the cycle of life is earth. Now earth, you were born in a year ending 8 or 9. Again, the same with the other 2. If you're born in 8, it's yang, and if you're born in 9, it is yin. Okay, so the direction of earth is center. The season is the transition of seasons, so it's in between each season. The colour is yellow, and the emotion is worry. So the organs for the earth, the yin is the spleen and the yang is the stomach. Taste is sweet. Now earth is a balance of both yin and yang. And now we move along to metal. If you were born in the year of the metal, it is ending in 0 or 1. Again, it's exactly the same. 0 is yang and 1 is yin. So the direction for metal is west. The season is autumn. The colour is white. The emotion attached to metal is grief. Metal's yin is the lung and metal's yang is the large intestine. The taste for metal is pungent, and finally metal is yin in the element of a yin and yang. Okay, and finally in the cycle, move along to water. Water, you were born in the year ending 2 or 3. Again, the same as all the others, is 2 is yang and 3 is yin. So the direction for water is north, as we know, and it is the season of winter. The colour for water is black, but it can also be blue. I've seen it blue in a few places before. And the emotion to this is fear. The yin organ is the kidney and the yang organ is the bladder. The taste for water is salty, and finally it is the most yin of the elements. Right guys, so that is a very quick overview on the attributes of the 5 elements. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you do like what you see, we do all these videos to support Anthony and his books. Obviously I'm Anthony's illustrator and designer, so you helping Anthony helps me out as well. Today's book that we're sort of promoting is Old Japan. This is a great little book. I had a lot of fun doing this one. Yeah, so go out and get it and support Anthony and his work. Thank you very much.